Porsche has stopped delivering its vehicles with diesel motors in every single worldwide market. The news comes affability of the UK distribution, Autocar, which detailed the brand has halted generation of its diesel-prepared make and minimized hybrid. The Porsche Panamera and the Porsche Cayenne have now had dumped their diesel motor alternatives. Porsche's choice to pull the Connect-on diesel takes after to the wake of the Volkswagen diesel discharges embarrassment, which brought about the review or buyback of the greater part of million US vehicles following the disclosure that the automaker prepared its diesel-controlled vehicles with a discharges conning gadget that disregarded the Clean Air Act. Porsche is one of 8 car brands possessed by the Volkswagen Group, and its Cayenne diesel was a piece of the review. Porsche has not offered a diesel-controlled model in the United States since. Porsche continued to offer diesels somewhere else, and the brand authoritatively connected the powertrain's destruction to declining deals abroad. Rather, Porsche intends to center around its gas and gas-electric half-and-half powertrains, where request keeps on expanding. Moreover, the anticipated Mission E-electric auto guarantees to join in excess of 300 miles of driving reach with Porsche's unbelievable execution.